High-efficiency machining solution of Beijing Jingdiao impeller parts is about to make its debut in EMO 2023. One machine out of 2 parts at one time, high-efficiency processing mode, with the machining time of 1 hour 15 minutes for a single piece. This is an air blower impeller with a diameter of 300 mm, made from the blank of aluminum alloy in turning forming, with the material removal rate up to 75%, the required machining time less than 3h. The machining feature to be machined is 6 sets of main and auxiliary blades and runner. With the minimum thickness of the blades of 1.5 mm, double-station simultaneous machining of Jingdiao high-efficiency 5-axis high-speed precision machining center MRET400DZ. Dual-station simultaneous processing to realize accuracy, high efficiency, and mass production of blower impellers. 5-axis flow line machining can achieve high-efficiency roughing, and 5-axis simultaneous side milling machining can achieve high-efficiency finishing of impellers. So that the machining time for a single piece is 1 hour 15 minutes. The dynamic balance level is up to G2.5, and the dimensional deviation of 2 impellers is less than 10 micrometers. Next, let's see how MRET400DZ achieving dual-station high-efficiency machining of air blower impellers. On September 18th to 23rd, Jingdiao booth in EMO 2023 will demonstrate practical machining of the impeller. For more content, please stay focused on Beijing Jingdiao account at TikTok.